You searched how to buy shares of Wabash National Corporation, so this guide will show a step-by-step process for Wabash, a U.S. manufacturer of trailers and transportation products listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WNC. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy WNC, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds to make purchases. Use the platform search box and type the ticker WNC to find Wabash National Corporation. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the listing shows NASDAQ and the ticker WNC so you are on the right security. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next market open. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your WNC position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. For the exact link used in this example, check the video description.